Okay, this video is how to quad boot Solus 3 Budgie with Windows 10, Devuan 1.0 and Ubuntu 16.04.3. Okay, I found a bug with the installer on the installer. For this tutorial, you need to backup your file to an external hard drive, watch my other videos, and on this video to quad boot, you need to have first you have to have done a custom install of Windows 10 with I would recommend a 2 GB EFI partition, a custom install, 100 GB for Windows 10, and the rest of 1 TB hard drive you use no partition. As you install each operating system, you create the partition. So we're gonna create a 20 GB partition, EST4 partition for Solus 3 Budgie, and after the installation we need to boot up with the Solus Live USB, and you have to select the partition and right click and select boot and ESP and click close, and then you boot to Ubuntu, and then you're gonna have to install refine boot manager with this command here, and then you reboot. Then you're going to be able to choose all the 4 operating systems. So I'm going to start the installation. Before you start the installation, you have to open Gparted. Open Gparted. As you can see here, I have a EFI partition. I made a 4.49 GB EFI partition because I'm planning to install 25 plus operating system on this 1 TB hard drive. So I have Devuan here, and I have Ubuntu here, and I have Windows 10 here. And I'm going to create now the partition. You have to right click on the unpartitioned space, click new, then you're going to select, I want to use 20,000. Actually I'm going to use 22,000, and I'm going to create as a, it's going to be Solus 3, and the label is going to be Solus 3 Budge. Click add here, click apply, So now I know I'm gonna, I made a mistake here. Let me delete this here. I made a mistake. Let me do this. You gotta make sure you use the partitioning space there. So right click, new. I'm gonna use this bar here. I'm gonna use it's gonna be 24,000. Then it's gonna be Solus 3, and then the label is gonna be Solus 3 Budgie. Okay, so it's gonna be this size here. Just gonna take a screenshot to make it easier. So click add. Click apply. Click close. Now you're gonna see that I have I label the partition here Solus 3 Budgie. Oh, fuck. So now after you create the partition, it's going to be SDA 7. So I make a note here, installing through SDA 7. So I know exactly what I have. So I have a Linux swap and I have a FAT32 EFI partition with 4.49 gigabyte. So I just need one partition and that's it. Click close here. Now I'm gonna double click here to install. So select your language. Click here to find my location automatically. Click next. Let me just my keyboard here. Actually, let me do something here. So you click to find my location automatically. Click next. But let me just do one thing here. I'm using an English keyboard. I'm using an English with the language. I'm gonna select here English English US. I'm gonna click next. Select where you are in the world. Okay, this option, you're going to select this option here, assign mount point. You already created. Click next. So this is the partition here. So what you're going to do here, you click on here where the mouse is, and then you're going to select the mount point here. There is a bug on the installation here that you select the mount point, but after the installation there is no assigned mount point there, and there is no ESD entry there too. So click next. Okay, the host name can be a letter, the number. We will use S1 Solus. Click next here. Now you use create a username, password. So as to make it easy, username. I like to use the name of the OS. Solus. The password. Okay, click on add now. Then you make sure everything is the way you want here. Click next. Now what you have to do here, I select English United States. Also I need to get another keyboard here with a Portuguese keyboard. You're going to install to SDA7 as ext4 root partition, and I'll be the administrator. And install bootloader to dev SDA1, that's the EFI partition. But the problem is it did after the install I will show the information here. Click install here. Click OK. Now I'm gonna pause the video a little bit here is almost finished installing. I'm gonna show on this video here to make everything to work. I recorded a video on quad booting Solus OS and Windows 10, Devuan and Ubuntu. I have on this micro SD card, ESD card here. I will show how I made it to work, but I will show here in this video. After the installation is done, I'm gonna check the partition, the SD7 partition, and you won't see the boot and the ESP option checked on the partition. So I had to boot with the live Solus DVD, and now it's finished. I just want to save this here. So I'm gonna show. I'm not gonna restart now. I'm gonna open Gparted. I'm gonna open Gparted. You're gonna have to do this. You can do. I didn't do why after the installation. I rebooted and did it from the live DVD. But if I right click here, let me take a screenshot here. If I right click here, manage flags, so right click, manage flags. You see here there is no boot and no so there is no boot. You have to select boot here, and also you have to select ESP. The ESP is now selected. So you have to make sure the booting ESP here is selected. If not, you're never gonna boot the operating system. So we gotta make sure it says on the partition says Solus SDA7 has the boot and the ESP selected here. Click close. Then click apply. So now you can see the boot and the ESP here. So now you say boot in the ESP, so you can boot direct to Ubuntu. And then you're gonna run the. I have the video tutorial on the internet, and what you have to do is to install it. You have to run this command from Ubuntu. Now I'm going to show how it looks like triple booting with quad booting with refined boot manager. This is how it looks like after you follow my instruction here. You got a Windows 10, Devuan, Ubuntu, and this is Solus. This is the advanced option on Solus, advanced option in Devuan, advanced option on Ubuntu, and you can boot direct to the UEFI settings, firmware settings direct from here, or shut down the computer. Now I'm gonna play the video quick here, just to show how it looks like.
I'm going to show now the refined boot manager. I'm booting different GNU/Linux operating system, and I have Windows 10. I have Devuan. I have Ubuntu 16.04.3, OS, Solus 3 Budgie, and I'm planning to install 21 more operating systems, and I'm planning to use this bootloader here. So first I'm gonna boot to Windows, select the Windows, Solus 3 Budgie. On part boot setup, the only way to get to the only way I found to boot up boot up fine, no problem at all. I'm gonna reboot, and I'm gonna boot to Devuan. Then I'm gonna boot to Devuan. And that was the first option here. Log out. Then I'm gonna reboot, restart. I'm gonna reboot computer. I'm gonna reboot to about to refine. Some information about it. The option here, start mock activity at UEFI partition. Can shut down the computer, reboot the computer, reboot the computer to the UEFI settings, start the firmware update. I don't want to do that. I want to reboot to the setup utility. Now what I'm gonna do, I want to shut down my computer. I'm gonna press F10 here. I'm gonna yes. And the video will finish here. If you like this video, please
So you understand, you have to, if you select the ESP and boot right from after the installation, you can boot direct to Ubuntu and install refined boot manager, and then you're going to be able to quad boot all the 4 operating system. Now I'm gonna do videos from about Solus. I'm gonna have a playlist on YouTube, but I will install a different version of GNU/Linux operating system, and I'm gonna have a playlist of it, and I will show how to customize it, how to install applications, and if you like it, Solus, this is the place for you to learn about it, because I'm gonna install not only the Budgie, but I will do the GNOME and the Mate, the Mate, and I know they working with the KDE Plasma. So if you like this video, please give a like, please subscribe, and please share the video. The next video is gonna be tips how to customize. It's gonna be a quick look at to Solus 3 Budgie, little customization, and how to install application software. And that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.